Muthenya umwe tu thutha wa mucemanio ria Rigathi wa GACHAGUA arekinyitie mwena wa NYANDURA kuharaganio muthenya wa ira, Rigathi ni ateterithitie we ndekugura guoyo ria renderio ni honge cia ugitiri ikigeria kumuguoyohia tige gutabania micemanio ya muingi na kuruta thirikari mahitia. Rigathi uria wari munini wa president mbere ya kuhagura ugite thirikari irahuthira mbeu njithi kuharagania micemanio yake, no ni ehariirie kung'ethanira na mihinga yothe iria abangeirwo.
They have nothing to offer the people of Kenya. There are so many questions, abductions they cannot answer, cost of living they cannot answer, poor economic management they cannot answer. They are left to desperate acts of trying to stop our meetings.
Okaire-ini kau Rigathi nioritie nyanake iria ciothe irekwirwo ni inyititwo migwate ni honge cia thirikari thutha wa gucabithia ndumiriri cia gutetia thirikari nenda-ini irekererio, kuona mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni areranire unyitani wa migwate ni ugukinya muthia.
The president spoke now is almost 64 hours. The people have not been released. We would like these young people to spend the new year with their families. So Mr. President, you said utakomesha, lakini hawa watoto bado hufika nyumbani.
Niongereire kuria mbeu njithi matigatigithirie gukirira thirikari kugerera nenda cia ukinyaniria na meyandikithie ta ikia kura niguo kugitira rucio rwao.
Unless the president deal with the issues that have made the people of Kenya very angry, he's wasting his time. Even if you abduct the whole country, as long as those issues are outstanding, and they have everything to do with poor economic management, theft of public funds, corruption, state capture, and lack of respect for the people of Kenya. Hii kutukana watu wa Kenya, kusema wako na mapepo, calling them stupid.
Akiaria ciege githurano kia mwaka wa 2027, Rigathi nioritie atongoria na muingi wa gitaru kia ithuriro ria bururi manyitane na magie na mwario umwe wa giuteti niguo mahote kunyitana na nduriri iria ingi kumba thirikari hindi ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2027.
Muungane na sauti moja, tutakutana kwa meza ya Kenya. Mimi nitakuwa pale na watu yangu, nyinyi mkuje na viongozi wenu, watu wa Western wakuje, wale ya Coast wakuje, wale ya WARI wakuje, tuongee, tupange hii Kenya pamoja.
Akionekana gukirira Odinga uria ukoretwo akinyitwo mbaru ni muingi wa gitaru kiu, Rigathi ugite ni kia kuona ruriri rwa ABALUHYA rukoretwo rukionio njira ya giuteti ni mundu utari wa ruriri ruu, ona thengia wa gukorwo ruri na atongoria aingi na gikiro kia iguru.
Haionekani vizuri ya kwamba jamii nzima ambaye kura yenu hata ni mingi kuliko ya yule Raila Odinga, ya kwamba mnapitia kwake kufika kwa meza ya kitaifa.
But Western sisi tutajipanga wenyewe. Siku ya kuendelea kupangwa na wengine, iwe bwana Ruto ambaye amepanga wenzetu wanaosema tuvumilie hadi 2032. Iwe ni bwana Raila ambaye amejipanga kule AU.
We are in the opposition and we've accepted our position. We are in the opposition and we are not begging for any position in that broad-based government. Hatuna haja na kitu chochote. Sisi tuko kwa opposition kwa sababu tunataka tukomboe Kenya. Wanajaribu kununua kila mtu aingie pale ndio akose upinzani in 2027. Kenya has no deficit of good leaders.
Rigathi uria kwaragia na andikia mohoro mucini wa Kakamega ni athiete na mbere guteterithia gitaru kia Mount Kenya ni kiyeheranitie kaimana na utongoria wa William Ruto na ni kihariirie guthondeka urata wa giuteti na icigo ingi cia bururi.